How to transfer money from U.S. Bank Focus Card. To transfer money from a U.S. Bank Focus Card, you have several options, including transferring to a bank account, using an ATM, or utilizing services like MoneyGram. Transfer to a bank account. Log in to the U.S. Bank Focus account. Select Transfer Funds. Add bank account details. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details and submit your request. Transfers to bank accounts usually take 1 to 3 business days. Secondly, withdraw cash from an ATM. Insert your Focus Card and withdraw cash directly. You can then deposit the cash into your bank account if needed. If you have a MoneyGram account linked to your U.S. Bank Focus Card, you can initiate a transfer directly through MoneyGram to another bank account, or pick up cash at a MoneyGram location. For additional help, you can also call the U.S. Bank Focus customer service line at the number on the back of your card. Thanks for watching.